In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero. To get started, open Xero and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard so it's easier to follow along. From here, look at the top menu and select Accounting. This area contains the financial tools you will need, including your bank account activity and transaction records. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, choose Bank Accounts. This will take you to the section where all connected or manually managed bank accounts are displayed. If you use more than one account in Xero, make sure you select the correct one, since receipts are tied to the specific transaction recorded under that account. Next, choose the bank account you want to work with. Then look for the Received Transaction line. You'll want to find the incoming payment that matches the receipt you intend to send. This is important because sending a receipt from the correct transaction helps keep your records accurate and makes it clear to the recipient which payment has been confirmed. Once you've found the payment under the Received section, click on that transaction to open its overview page. On this page, you can review the details of the payment before sending anything out. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that the amount, date, and transaction information are correct. That way, the receipt you send reflects the right payment and avoids confusion later. When everything looks correct, go to the top right corner and click Options. A menu will appear, and from there, select Send Receipt. This opens the receipt sending window, where you can review the recipient's email address and make any adjustments to the message if needed. If Xero has automatically filled in the email, double-check that it's the right one before continuing. You can also customize the message so it sounds more personal or includes extra context, while still keeping it professional and clear. When you are ready, click Send. Xero will then email the payment receipt to the recipient, giving them a record of the transaction directly from your account. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.